catch it from over there.
Hold on. Mommy built this beautiful Lego sculpture, and Alex is about to demolish.
You ready?
Thanks a lot, Alex.
Run it over again. Yeah, that was fun.
That was not fun.
Daddy had fun.
It was a beautiful sculpture.
You ready to do it again? Come on.
Who got us that? Damn them.
My sister.
I'm just kidding.
Show them how you ride it.
We got Stuntman over here.
Stand on it.
No, you'll put him down. Come back. Ow, ow. Okay.
Mommy doesn't like it when you ride it sideways. Ready? Ready? Get out of the way! Woo!
You're picking all those Legos up. And just a quick note, there's our beautiful Christmas tree with its gate around it.